Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Bezerra matrix with us in the shop. And I came in for a few issues, but mainly that the machine was not operating correctly, wasn't turning on at all. Although we were getting power into the machine, nothing was displaying, none of the buttons were working, none of the machine was operating past the power switch. And after looking in there, there was quite a lot of burnt connections. Specifically, your jumbo connector up top here was completely charred. But even after replacing that and going one by one into all the electrical components, just kind of issue after issue started rising, and that's usually what happens when you have electrical shortages inside of these machines. It's usually not just one component that breaks down. It's most times it's usually you have to kind of go step by step, look at each part and see what's issues. So what pretty much what had ended up happening was the board got messed up, so we had to replace the board. But the board that they sell now is different to the screen, so we had to replace also the screen. And so both the screen and the board are replaced. Of course, that jumbo connector I mentioned earlier. And then also at the end, after everything was resolved, we had a lot of spewing out of the front. And so we replaced the group head gasket and also deep cleaned the shower screen. There is an IMS plate and screen in there, so we did not replace that. We just reused it and cleaned it. Cleaned the inside of the group heads for all the coffee buildup that was in there. So now if we run the shop, you see a nice steady stream going down. It's not spewing out the sides or anything like that. That's what we're looking for. And then also, steaming quality is pretty good. Just making sure everything is still working as intended. As you see, really good steam, especially with a 2-spouter. And then of course you have your hot water tap. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.